Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a house and tree. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a house. It's so easy. Trying to draw and paint with me. Here is a door. Now I'm drawing window. Let's draw a heart. Now I'm drawing a tree next to a house. Finally, I draw the sun. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. I start with pink.
The wheels on the bus.
I love drawing and painting so much.
The horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horn on the bus goes beep beep beep.
It's going to be so colorful after the painting.
The wheels on the bus.
Yellow. This beautiful house. Light blue.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the
Purple. Red. Green. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Brown.
Yes, we know the muffin man.
Orange.
Muffin man.
It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.